Hi guys, and today we're doing a Marble Run video with Jalen.
Awesome, Jay.
Yeah. So let's just get started. We
And
have
it's
a
so
big
big.
Marble Run.
Which
So
one?
we're gonna put some.
Yeah, which one should we start?
How about we just do all of them?
No. Say no, not all.
Why?
Because we need to do one by one. Get that one out.
Jeez!
Do you see this marble going down?
Someone. Okay, now we do this one.
No, this one.
This one.
This one. Let me put them in.
Then what about this? Anyways,
Shay, wait.
why can't we just do all of them? It'll be so cool.
No, we can't, Shay.
Why?
Shay.
Oh no! Nah, do this one.
It's cool. How is it going?
Oh no, this one stuck. It's stuck, guys. Whoa!
Shay. Wow. Oh, epic.
Okay. This one's last tube, I think.
No, it's not. We haven't done this one.
I just did that one.
Oh, Shay, we didn't film it, so.
Bruh.
It wrapped it. Oh, no, I'm putting two.
And yeah, that's basically our Marble Run.
No, we didn't do all.
Yeah, we did.
We didn't do this one.
Which one?
This one.
Oh, this sold out. Now that's basically all of the
No,
Marble
this
Run.
one.
Bruh.
This one is part of this one, and we need to do it. We need to do this one because it's part. Hey, make it go this way.
I know. Ooh. Now, that will be the end of our video.
Bye.
Bye.